And it's called Issue Specific, where you get to choose any one imbalance that you want me to work on. I've had a lot of people bringing up something called destiny swaps lately. This is where someone can hijack your path. For example, maybe you're planning to become a singer, and then someone close to you comes in, and then it seems like everything you were planning is now what they're doing, and they're leveling up, and everything that you were working towards just falls flat, and then all that energy is gone. Somebody took it from you. And I had someone, I think on the Telegram chat, say, I'm a little nervous about destiny swapping and releasing those because what's going to happen to my family? Well, if they stole your future, your timeline, something that was meant for you, it's going to be restored back to you. And if they fall flat as a result of that, and you're feeling guilty about it, I mean, you're going to have to process that on your own. But for me, I don't consent to anyone taking my path or hijacking my energy. That is vampire energy, vampire parasitic activity. So no, thank you. And I have a couple clients who I wanted to share some of their experiences with this session. This one's from Georgetta. And if you ever give feedback, I always appreciate it. It's helpful for me. It's helpful for other clients, because quantum healing is so unknown. It's very scary to a lot of people because I'm not touching you. I'm not taking fluids out of your body and scanning you physically. There's a lot of trust involved in this. And so hearing other people's reviews and experiences is very helpful, especially for new clients coming in who feel like I've tried everything, but I'm nervous that this is going to work, because everyone's used to the physical hands-on, need to cut my body open and take things out or put things in for healing to take place. And it doesn't have to be that complicated. How did Yeshua heal people? He said, be healed. And it was really that simple. So this is from Georgetta. She says, Raylene, thank you so much. I woke up today and feel rested and lighter and overall energetic and clear thinking. I have not felt that in at least 2 years. When I was reading the results, I could identify with so many issues. This is so serious because it was affecting my life so much. Another one.